All right, guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Cigar Ashtray set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Got a cigar cutter right here. Very cool. It's got the cigar lighter right here. Go ahead and fill it up here in a second. All right, and then the actual ashtray itself, check it out. Solid wood right there. All right, so go ahead and actually fill this up with some butane real quick, just so you can see. It's right at the bottom. All right, so we just put a little bit, but it is on right there. Pretty cool. It does have its own spot. Just put that right there. This one we could put right here. Stays nice and clean. And like I said, you could put your glass like that. And then you could put your cigar right by the ashtray, just like that. One thing that I do want to point out is this part you can't take out to clean out, dump it out, whatever you want to do. As you can see how clean and organized everything looks once it's set up. The wooden base really stands out. Smooth finish, rich color, and it gives the whole setup a classy feel. The layout makes it practical. Your glass sits steady in the holder, your cigars won't roll away, and the whole tray feels solid and balanced because of the weather-resistant finish. You can confidently use it outside without worrying about damage. So it's perfect for your desk, bar, or patio table. So if you guys are looking for a cool wood cigar ashtray set, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.